All right, in this problem, let's say that we're given this piecewise function and we're asked to graph it. This is the way I do it. We look at the top part, f of x is equal to x. Let's just graph that. Y equals x. There's this graph right here. However, we only want to include the part of this graph for x values that are less than or equal to 0. We don't want, this is not the graph when x is larger than 0, so let's erase the part of the graph where x is greater than 0. So we erase that. So there's our graph for our x values less than 0. It's just x. What is the graph of our parabola? Well, our parabola looks like this, y equals x squared. But this is only the graph when x is greater than 0. So when we're less than 0, that's not the graph. We need to erase that part. Yeah? So here's the graph. This, and then right here it turns into our parabola, and there's our graph. It turns out it's a continuous function, because when x is 0, we get 0 here, and we get 0 here. So it does turn out to be continuous, but that's the basic idea behind how I teach how to graph piecewise functions. So when you do this, using a pencil is a good idea so you can erase.